Right, are you in?
I'm in. Alright, shall I do some sort of intro?
Yep.
Hello, this is James and Don from Gaming.Devolved. We are in Microsoft Flight Sim today, 2020. We're just having a quick fly around the Himalayas and we're going to try and land back safely on this airfield port runway. So I'm going to take off and go.
One day we might find a game that we'll just stick at. Which I'm sure. Oh, hang on, there's a welcome. Right, so, sorry, I've read a welcome sign. So we expected to land on this airport?
Yeah, back in that runway.
You're
Alright, I'm off.
expecting a lot of me. Right, I'm also...
Flaps are up.
So, if people don't know, James is really sort of mad about this game and he's all really into it and doing things. I just like to fly around my local area. Oh,
Everest is just over there, Dom.
where?
To your right.
Oh, is that Everest?
Not quite. Oh crap, looking at the map, almost crashed. Cool.
Right, so you're telling me I've got to land back at that airport?
Yeah. You can go, I'm gonna got some good height. Stall.
Mate, I'm climbing a mountain and I'm gonna go around said mountain, bank it, and I'm going for it.
You're going back for a landing. Well, I'm turning around now.
Well, I've got to get over the mountain first. I'm struggling, I'm losing speed. You ought to be a fucking big one. Right, where is it?
Jesus.
I can't even see the fucking thing anymore. Oh, God.
Oh! I just slew-moded back in there.
That's cheating.
Oh, that'd be why, because my landing gear's still down. Whoops. Amateur mistake.
I'll tell you what. I'll give it its due. This game is fucking beautiful. Ah, I see it.
Right. Ah, there's the airport. Landing gear. Flaps.
I'm massively high, but I'm fucking bombing it.
That was totally
Switch
illegal.
the engine
Bank.
off.
Power down.
Illegal bank. I don't think there's many people in the fucker. Oh shit, I don't want flaps on half flaps. Bomb it, full flaps, bomb it. Yeah, my landing gear. Oh shit, no, I just put my landing gear.
Engines are totally off. Boom.
Boom! I mean, my left wheel was sort of on the grass. Right, well that was a lot easier than I expected. Oh shit, no, I'm rolling back down the hill. Oh fuck, no, brake. oh, just sort of... Oh, I'll say that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And I ended up chipping a bit of paint.
Well, I'm gonna go for another go.
I kind of want to take off the other way. I want to take off from the bottom.
We'll come up the hill.
Yeah.
Oh god, I'm crashing.
Yeah, so am I. I'm about to crash. Brake. In fact, where's Everest?
Everest is quite a way. Do you want me to take you to Everest, Dom?
No. I just left a bit of paint. Oh! Oh, shh.
Where are you going?
I'm in the neighbour's house. Just...
You're over there.
I went to visit the neighbour.
Turn around it.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
I think it's more of a challenge to actually get out of this area.
James, I think you should just go without me. I like it over here. It's a nice little area. Just you have a little flight, and I'll meet you back here.
Right, guys, see me zooming in there. That's Don.
No, it's not. No, that's another plane.
What are you doing?
Do you remember that famous scene in Austin Powers where he
Austin
wedges
Powers
himself? I'm definitely not doing that.
Alright, bye, Don.
Yeah, I'll catch up with you.
Now I'm going to try and do it cockpit only.
Oh, I'm on my nose. I mean, the other plane that is in the corner's on his nose. You know what? I'm gonna go for a drink at the Buddha Lodge because it looks pretty nice there. So, how did I just... No, this other plane is flying right up. Oh, there's a van.
Anyway, I'm just trying to do this in the cockpit only while my friend over there is a snake and...
Don't know what you mean. I'm up in the air. No, I'm stalling.
Did you use slew mode?
No. Oh, that was a save though.
Roger, Beechcraft, tree 10.
I don't know who the pilot is in that plane over there, but he was crap.
I
can't believe he crashed.
Swing a Hangar 180 in this. Head back to that airport. Cockpit only.
Cockpit only. Got a nice cockpit. Oh, it's all red and satin wood or something.
Well, there's Darling in the distance there, look.
I'm in the cockpit. Don't like it. Well, that was the Hollywood sign then. What's over there?
Landing gear back.
An airport.
Flaps.
Bullshit.
Right, putting out full flaps.
In all fairness, considering how bad I am at this game, can't believe I sort of nailed it first go. Right, what am I doing? That. Going cockpit. I can't even see the runway now.
Oh dear.
I don't know how high I am.
It's on the screen, you donut.
Oh, it's there. I couldn't see it.
Cockpit only.
Don't fly cockpit only, as you can probably tell. If I had any passengers, they would be very violently sick.
No.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I don't know what's going on.
Oh
No.
god.
Oh dear.
Right, let's try this again.
Yeah, that happened.
Air 1 miles west of Victor November.
I'll just turn my engine off. I think that's the absolute fine.
Request flight following.
I'm not beached. Shut up. How do I turn my engine off?
Alright.
No,
Okay.
put my parking
Go
brake
back.
on. There you go, my parking brake's
Squawk
on.
5,
I'm
7
parked.
tree for
Alright,
Beechcraft, tree
well, I'm
10.
gonna go down here.
Beached my ass. There you go, my engine's off.
Oh, apparently I'm overspeeding.
I can't even see you.
Roger,
there we go.
Beechcraft, tree 10.
I'll watch from this bush. I mean, from the runway. the end of the runway
Yes.
that I am parked at properly in a parking bay.
That was a rubbish attempt at cockpit only. Alright, let's try again. Cockpit only. Gonna get a nice 180.
I think your attempt is probably a little bit better than mine.
I crashed into the bit next to the runway. I did see you do a kickflip.
I don't know what you're on about. I'm parked at the end.
It's shouting at me. It's telling me that I'm stalling.
Will it stop telling me I'm not beached? I'm just parked in a bush. Upside down.
Right, I have the airport in sight.
I should probably turn my battery off. I don't know how to turn my battery off. Oh, there's my starter engine. Inoperative.
Right, the airport's somewhere over there.
You're doing really well. You're too low. Oh, I can hear you.
Oh, there's the airport.
Climb, bitch, climb. Way too fast. No.
I don't know if I saved that. I don't know. Oh, I'm in the ground. Oh. Right, well, thank you very much for watching that short video of us crashing, and now I'm going for a ski, heading towards Don. And we shall probably come back with some more flight videos at some point soon.
What do you mean coming towards Don? I'm at the end of the runway parked, mate.
Well, I believe you.
Kathmandu Center Beechcraft.
That's the problem, James. There's just no fucking trust. No trust.
Where? Yeah, kind of.
I'm at the end of run one, mate.
Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, guys. Goodbye.
Good.
How do I stop recording while I'm crashing?